So I hope you are fine, doing well in your life. So today we are gonna solve the problem of the day for 2nd February. So the question is, check if array is sorted and rotated. This is a easy type of question, so we can solve this. This is this include array only. Nothing. I think the question is, we have given a array, and we have to check if it is sorted and rotated from a point, right? We just have to check this if array is sorted and rotated only, right? So in this case, answer is false because 2 lies between this, like, right? So this is not actually sorted array. So uh, so let's read the question out. So the given an array nums, return true if the array was originally sorted in non-decreasing order, then rotated some numbers in of positions, right, including 0. Otherwise, return false. Okay, so I I want you guys to give it a try by yourself. I am so I hope you are pause this video here and try it by yourself. This is a very simple question. Okay, let's solve this now. So this is a very basic problem. We just need to think in a very simple, any very straight manner, right? So what we can see is there are two arrays, two sorted arrays present in an array, right? And the maximum value here. So first thing is first first is check if uh, check how many non-decreasing array or sub array, right? Sub array present in the given array, right? Second, if so this will return, like, let's say x. So if x is smaller than equals to 1, so there may be case in which there may be case in which the array is sorted, so there are 0, there are one non-decreasing array, and so and there may be case in which this is the case. So in this case there are two non-decreasing arrays, right? So we can check this using bool or something else, right? This will be done in on, right? So if x is smaller than equals to 2, so return, so if x is equals to 2, right? So if this is the case, so the last element of the given array should always be smaller than the first element of the given array, right? And if this case x is equals to 1, so we will return true only. And if this is the case, so if x is equals to true, check if arr n minus 1 is smaller than arr 0. So these two things we need to do. This will get done in on and this will get done in o1. So the total m complexity will be on. In space complexity, nothing. We don't need to use any space, right? So count count equals to currently 0, or we can say 1 for i in range array I in range length of arr or nums. So we are starting from 1, right? We are starting from here. So let's see if nums I minus 1 is smaller than nums I, right? Nothing, just continue. Else, if it is not smaller, if it is equal or if it is equal or less, let's say less than, right? So I mean, okay, so if it is not smaller, then if it is greater or equal, right? So else count plus equals to 1. Okay, and check if here only, if count is greater than 2, return false. We don't need the non-decreasing sub arrays more than so this is for non-decreasing, right? Non-decreasing sub arrays more than 2 times, right? Now check if count equals to 1, right? Return true. So now check return this case, right? Num minus 1 should be smaller than num 0, or is smaller than or equals to. Let's see we solve this problem. So yeah, test cases are getting passed. Now let's submit. So yeah, guys, it is getting solved in the first run only, and we have beat 100% time complexity. It's a very basic type of problem, but it's okay if you're not get in your first attempt, or you have to see this video. It's not that simple too, but uh, I hope I am able to make you understand this problem, and I hope you understand what I'm trying to solve, my approach only. So thank you for your time. Thank you.